There's nothing like homemade pierogies with a flavor-packed potato filling, tender homemade dough, and sweet caramelized onions. It's no wonder why this Polish recipe has become so popular throughout the world. Howard shows us how to make them in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Hey, I'm glad you're here, because all this week in the Test Kitchen, we're taking a tasty trip around the globe. To start things off, today we're whipping up a recipe from Eastern Europe. It's pretty obvious what it is. Pierogies. The first thing we do is boil some potatoes for the filling. While those cook, we saute a few chopped onions. After draining and mashing the potatoes, we add some of the sauteed onions to them, along with some cheddar cheese and a bit of salt and pepper. Then we take our homemade dough, which is simply some eggs and sour cream mixed with our typical dry ingredients, and roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, with a 3-inch cookie or biscuit cutter, we cut out circles and place a spoonful of the potato mixture on each one, folding the dough over the filling and sealing the edges. They even make gadgets like this to help you do it. Once all the pierogies are made, we'll boil them, drain them, and add them to the rest of our onions. Let me tell you, there's nothing like homemade pierogies. With the flavor-packed potato filling, the tender as can be dough, and the sweet caramelized onions, it's no wonder why I married a nice Polish gal. To get the recipe for our old-fashioned pierogies, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.